welcome or welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create WhatsApp chatbot for your smart home technology consultant business. Explaining your services and booking consultations can be very time consuming and a hectic process. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot which will explain our process, book consultations and automate this whole process on our behalf. Now if you want to learn how to set up this amazing chatbot, then let me take you to my screen. This is the WhatsApp chatbot that I have created for smart home technology consultant business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Before we begin the procedure of creating this chatbot, let me show you how it works in a real-time example. And for that, let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. We have arrived on my WhatsApp screen. To activate the chatbot, the user is supposed to send a message first. So here I'm going to send a general message like hello. And immediately our chatbot responds us with, "Welcome to Smart Nest Solution. Your smart home journey starts here. What would you like help with?" So I'm going to choose the first option, recommendation. Let's recommend the right system for you. Please answer a few questions. Home type, areas you want to automate. So here I'm going to send a response for this. So this is my response. I'm going to send it. And immediately the chatbot responds us with, "Thank you. We have registered your response. We will analyze this and reply with a custom setup." Next, I'm going to click on this troubleshoot option and see what our chatbot responds us with. It says remote support. Let's fix that. Please share device name and model, issue you're facing, when it started. So again here I'm going to send a dummy response. And I have sent my response. Got your request. Device smart thermostat, Cool Pro T3000. Issue not connecting to the Wi-Fi. Started 2 days ago. Our team is working on it. Need help with anything else? And then I will choose the option to talk to the consultant. You can contact us anytime on this given number and given email address. So this is the chatbot that we have created. If you want to learn how to create this chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, then we have to reach to Pabbly Chatbot's dashboard. Then we have to open a new tab first. In a new tab, enter the URL pabbly.com/chatflow and it will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. However, if you are a new user, click on sign up for free. As I'm already an existing user, I will click on sign in and it will show me all the apps provided by Pabbly Chatflow. Here we have to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on access now and it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities and stats. Next we have is inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up we have contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here you can view and manage them. Then we have team queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up we have template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up we have broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow from here. Click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get two options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for Developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin the process of creating Chatflow. For that, go to Flow section and then click on Flows. You will reach Chatflow Builder page. Here you can see total number of flows, your active flows and inactive flows. To create a new flow, click on Add Flow. So when we create a new flow, it is initially named as Untitled. So we are going to name it something more relevant like WhatsApp Chatbot for Smart Home Technology Consultant Business. On the screen, you can see there is a flow start box under which there is an option to enter keywords. It is used to enter some general keywords which can activate the chatbot. However, there is another option to enter regex. Regex is short term used for regular expression and it is a special pattern which will trigger on every keyword. To use regex, we have to use a specific format which is this. Now this will safely trigger on every keyword. You can also enable toggle for case sensitive regex. Here you can see there is an option to choose template. When you click on it, you will get a list of all the approved templates from which you can choose to send to the user. Once you're done with the basic setup, now we can start curating our first message, and for that I'm going to access text button. And here I'm going to add a message. Our message will look like this. Welcome to Smart Nest Solutions. Your smart home journey starts here. What would you like help with? And with the help of this add button option, we are going to add some quick reply options. So here I'm going to add recommendations. And next I'm going to add another quick reply option which is troubleshoot problems, and lastly I'm going to add an option to talk to consultant. Once we are done curating our first message, we will curate a response for each of the quick reply options. Let's begin with recommendations, and for that I'm going to access the action type nodes, and then I'm going to click on question to get a question box, and here I'm going to ask for the details. Let's recommend the right system for you. Please answer few questions: home type, areas you want to automate, and budget range. Here I'm going to add some star signs, and this will make the text appear bold on the WhatsApp. Now I'm going to link it to the respective quick reply option, and here you can see there is an option to select contact custom field. And to add contact custom field, you need to create one first. And for that, I'm going to save my flow. And once the flow is updated successfully, I'm going to go to the settings, and then I'm going to choose this third option that says contact custom fields. Click on it. Here you can see some default custom fields are there, under which here we have created contact custom fields. To create a contact custom field, you need to click on add one more field, and here you can add field name and enter description of the field, and then you will be able to access it under question box. For example, here I have created this add field under which you can add any description. We are going to access this one. So here I will delete this one. Once you have created your field successfully, click on save and you can go back to your flows. Once you're done creating the contact custom field, you can select it from the drop down. Here I'm going to select add, and as format I'm going to select any. Now we are going to generate a response for this. Here I'm going to access the text button, and here I'm going to add thank you. We have registered your response. We will analyze this and reply with the custom setup. Once we are done with our first response, we are going to move on to the next. Let's send a response for troubleshoot. So here I'm going to access the question box again, and I'm going to link it with the respective quick reply. Here I'm going to add remote support. Let's fix that. Please share device name or model, issue you're facing, when it started. And again in the contact custom field, I'm going to select add, and as format I'm going to select any, and then we are going to curate a response for this. Our message will look like this. Got your request. $add. Now we have added this $sign next to add because add is our contact custom field, and this $sign will make sure that it gets replaced by the actual details sent by the user. Our team is working on it. Need help with anything else? And then with the help of this add button option, I'm going to add option to contact support. So here I'm going to add talk to consultant. Now finally we are going to create a response for talk to consultant, and then we are also going to link it with this quick response option. So let's access the text button again, and here I'm going to add contact support details. Our message will look like this. You can contact us anytime. And these are the contact details, and this is the email address. And lastly, I'm going to link it to this quick reply option. And we have completed our WhatsApp chatbot for Smart Home Technology Consultant Business. We have created this flow easily with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And if you want to create a similar chatbot, you can do that by following the same procedure as I have shown in this video. Once you're done creating your chatbot, save your flow. And once the flow is updated successfully, you're good to go. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.